Want to up your TikTok game? We're here to help you kick things into high gear and make your TikToks the best they can be. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you our top 7 TikTok tips and tricks. Now let's get started. Our first tip is to not record your videos using the TikTok camera. Recording videos with your device's built-in camera app not only allows for better video quality, but also then you have the option to use third-party video editing apps with more advanced tools. You can then upload your perfected videos to TikTok by tapping the upload icon at the bottom of the camera window. Another uploading option is to create a slideshow of photos. If you tap photos and select multiple images, TikTok will turn them into a fun slideshow for you, and you can add whatever filter and song you like. Our next tip is to create a duet with another person on TikTok. This is probably something you've seen done, but it can be a little confusing figuring out how to create one yourself. Find another user's TikTok video you like. Then tap the share icon on the right. Select Duet. This will open a camera window where you can record your half of the duet alongside the existing video you selected. Once you're done recording, tap the check mark to see what your duet looks like with both videos playing simultaneously. In a similar fashion, you can also record reactions to another user's existing TikTok video. To do this, tap Share, then select React from the menu that appears. You'll record your reaction in a similar fashion to how you can with duets, only this time your part of the video will appear in a small window in the corner instead of being split half and half with the original video. If you want to just use the audio track from someone else's TikTok but not include their video footage in your own post, tap the spinning circle with the album artwork on it. This will open the TikTok camera with that audio queued up and ready to go. If you want to create a duet or reaction using a third-party video editing app, or if you just like to have someone else's TikTok video saved to your device, use the download option from the share menu. This will save the selected video to your device's camera roll, including a TikTok watermark with the original poster's username. However, if the original poster has restricted downloads of their videos, this won't work. If you'd like to restrict downloads of your own TikTok videos, go to your profile and tap the menu icon at the top. Select Privacy and Safety. Tap Allow Download. Then select Off. That wraps up our top 7 TikTok tips and tricks. Leave us a comment below telling us which one was your favorite. If you'd like to learn about other TikTok features like the text tool or how to add your own music to a TikTok video, check out the videos linked here. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.